In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a transition effect on CapCut quickly and easily. If you accidentally added a transition, or you just want your clips to cut cleanly without any effect in between, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. This is a simple fix, but it can save you a lot of time when you're editing and want full control over how your video looks. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your CapCut project and look at the editing timeline at the bottom of your screen. This is where all of your clips are arranged side by side. You should be able to see the small transition box sitting right between two video clips. That little box is the transition effect that connects the clips together. Now click directly on that transition box with your left mouse button. Once it's selected, you'll notice it lights up with a white outline, which tells you that CapCut has highlighted the transition and it's ready to be edited or removed. After that, press the delete key on your keyboard. If you're using a keyboard without a delete key, you can also press backspace. CapCut will remove the transition immediately, and your clips will now sit together without any effect between them. If that doesn't work for some reason, there's another easy way to do it. Right-click the same transition box on the timeline. A small pop-up menu will appear, and from that menu, choose Delete. This does the exact same thing and removes the transition from between the clips. And that's really all there is to it. Once the transition is deleted, your video will play as a clean cut instead of a transition effect. This is especially useful if you want a more natural edit, a faster pacing style, or if you simply added the wrong transition by mistake. If this tutorial helped edit you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple CapCut editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.